Today I will talk about vehicle routing problem as a part of operations research. The vehicle routing problem is a combinatorial optimization and integer programming problem which asks what is the optimal set of routes for a fleet of vehicles to traverse in order to deliver to a given set of customers. It generalizes the well-known traveling salesman problem which I have described in my previous lecture. There are many variations of vehicle routing problem, which include vehicle routing problem with profits, vehicle routing problem with pickup and delivery, vehicle routing problem with time windows, capacitated vehicle routing problem, vehicle routing problem with multiple trips, open vehicle routing problem, multi-depot vehicle routing problem. So vehicle routing problem is a part of operations research with an objective to minimize either distance to travel or to minimize time to travel or to minimize cost to travel. Conditions is that each vehicle start from the home city or depot, visit selected cities only once, then each vehicle return to the home city or depot. Input matrix is in this form. The values are either distance to travel or time to travel or cost to travel, which we need to minimize. Diagonal elements are impossible because they are from one city to same city. This is just an example of data. So mathematically, it is a minimization problem. We need to minimize the cost to travel or time to travel or distance to travel. So 0 in this case represent a home node or a depot or a home city. Xij, this variable, is 1 if vehicle goes from node I to node j. K is the number of vehicles and Rs, this Rs is the minimum number of vehicles needed to traverse a set S. Constraint 1 and 2 state that exactly one arc enter and exactly one leave each vertex associated with customer respectively. Constraint 3 and 4 says that number of vehicles leaving the depot is the same as the number of vehicles entering the depot. Constraint 5 are the capacity cut constraint, which impose that the route must be connected and that the demand on each route must not exceed the vehicle capacity. And constraint 6 is the states that this is an integer problem. A laboratory, this is example of a clinical laboratory which send vehicles for home sample collection. So a clinical laboratory have two vehicles for home sample collection and it needs to collect sample from these cities of New Delhi, India. Laboratory is located at this location, which is the home place or a depot from where these vehicles will start and after covering all patients will return to the depot. To calculate the distance from one place to other, we will use the Google map. So distance from Hindurao to Anand Vihar is 14.6 kilometer. Similarly, distance from Hindurao to Dhola Kuan is 18.6 kilometer. And we fill this matrix with distances. For solving this problem, we will use Google OR tools. This is the URL for Google OR tool and Python codes. This is the code for printing the solution. This is the data matrix which we have filled with distances. This is the code for feeding the data. This is the main subroutine for optimization. And after running this code, we get this solution. So this is the route for vehicle 0 and this is the route for vehicle 1. So these are the routes for two vehicles. And maximum of the route distance is 53 meters. And the optimal route for vehicle 0 is 53 kilometers. It should go from the home depot to Sarojini Nagar, then Mayur Vihar, then Anand Vihar, and back to depot. And vehicle 1 should start from depot and go to Dhola Kuan and back to depot. So the expected total distance is 89 kilometers, and we will save the time by using two vehicles. This is all for today. Thank you very much.